Baby is world famous when she's born in week 21. Now see how she looks today. When the average woman reaches her 20th week of pregnancy, it usually means she's about halfway through. She may have begun preparing for the birth, but there's normally a few months left before it happens. When mom Courtney Stensrud was in the 20th week of her pregnancy, the unbelievable happened. She welcomed her daughter into the world. Her daughter was born at 21 weeks and 4 days and weighed just over 14 ounces. The mom gave birth thoroughly after experiencing chorioamnionitis, an infection of the fetal water and fetus. Luckily her little girl survived the complicated birth. And not just survived, but blossomed into a healthy and much-loved 3-year-old. In many states in the US it's common practice to not try to revive a baby born before the 24th week, according to a report that centers around Stensrud's daughter and other unique cases. She may be the most premature known survivor to date, states the report. Courtney Stensrud, 35, tells CNN, "There are stories of 22-week babies, 23-week babies, but none born in week 21. So I knew that the odds were small," she says. Although the mom knew that the chances of survival were minimal, she fought for her daughter. Dr. Kashif Ahmad, one of the main authors of the above report, met the new mom 21 weeks after her baby was born. Ahmad urged Stensrud that her child should not be revived. He was concerned about the severe underdevelopment of the child's lungs and the vulnerability in the blood vessels in her brain. If she survived, her health problems would likely be serious. But mom Courtney had made up her mind. "Even if I'd listened to him, I just felt something inside me that said, believe and never give up hope." It proved to be the right decision. Today her daughter is a healthy and happy little girl with her whole life ahead of her. It's wonderful to see how beautiful that it all worked out in the end. Just think about all the amazing doctors in the world working to perform these miracles. Please share this heart-touching story with your friends and family and subscribe our channel for more.